Hello everyone, this is Aya, and in today's video I'm going to share with you some ideas for resin coaster in theme of fall. So let's get started. So my inspiration came when I visited a park here in Connecticut, and I was blown away with all these beautiful colors, leaf colors. Check my Instagram account because I posted so many pictures. Then I start, to collect and grab some leaves with all the shades of green, yellow, red, and orange. Then I sprayed them using UV resistant clear, or you can use any sealer. Anyway, they are dry, so there is no moisture or liquid inside them, so they will not burn out when you put them inside the resin. Okay, so here I will speed up a little bit the video, this part, because anyway I demolded at night, so I don't like the lighting, but I just want to show you the mold. So most of the molds I bought them from Etsy or from Amazon, and I really love them so much, especially the pink one. I feel that's not a better quality. I'm gonna show you about a better quality for my tray. I bought it from Etsy, and I think I paid $60 for the small size, and $100 for the bigger size. Then now they are on Amazon for $20, but different quality. This clear silicone, not the heavy duty pink silicone. Anyway, I didn't share with you how I made the coaster, or the way, I placed everything, because now I changed the place where I work with resin, because I start to read a lot and educate myself about safety when using resin. Before I wasn't that careful. I just, wear gloves, sometimes not, but now, no gloves, open area, and what do you call it? I have this mask that protects me from, the resin, from the smell from the resin. So here is the tray that I'm talking about. So definitely some pieces need another coat of resin, and I'm going to talk about it later. But let me show you this beautiful mold, also from Amazon. I'll try to link it in the description box, but if you just type in Amazon resin mold or stand cake mold, you will have so many design with different affordable prices. I love this one because it's like a plate. There is another shape that is just straight circle, or like a coaster but in a bigger size. But I like this because it's like a plate, so it's very easy really to put all together. But the handle, I didn't like it so much. It's really plasticky, so I think I will order another one with heavy duty metal, so it will be nice. Now I will show you all the resin and all the coaster in daylight. I didn't edit the video. There is no added colors or adjusting the colors. It's just the sun, and I really, really love it. Even I changed my t-shirt. I said, okay, let me, wear something that matches my beautiful theme, my beautiful, fall theme coasters. So as you see here, I love everything. So the resin, I used two colors of glitter, gold and red, fine and chunky glitter. You can use any brand. I love Distress glitter or Wow glitter, but definitely you can go with any type of glitter. We're gonna see some areas that has concentration of the resin or of the glitter, but because they are the plate inside, I couldn't try to move the resin around or the glitter around, so I'm fine with it. It looks really beautiful. So as I said, yeah, some pieces or some coasters needs another or a thin layer of resin, because you will see some of the leaves just popping out like this, which for me it's really fine, because if it's really small area I can add another resin. But if there is any pieces that has really like this one, it's a rough surface, I can't add another resin because it will leak from all the sides. So I think I'm just going to, dig a hole, on the top and just make it like an ornament. Or I can just use it for accessories, not, for a cup, because it will not be, even. So the cup might fall down. So just for accessories, for, watch or whatever. So yeah, here is all my ideas or my, coasters using fall leaves. I think now we're done. I'm not sure if there is fall leaves there, because now it's winter. But yeah, I really wanted to share this video with you. If you have any question, please leave it in the comments below. And if you are interested to buy one of these beautiful pieces, I'm going to link my page in the description box. Thanks, bye.